What's up guys, this is Nick at ManriqueBilt Customs. My videos are gonna be a DIY and a whole custom twist on the do-it-yourself, a make it yourself and install it yourself all at the same time. I'll get custom scrap material and junkyard parts and make one-off pieces for my vehicle or whatever it is that I'm doing. So today we're going to redo my custom headlights and mount a new set of lights and remount the old ones in a different location, as well as my set of blinker lights. I've already done tons of stuff to my truck already, and as you can see, it's not your average 99 Dodge Ram 2500. And that's pretty much it.
Okay, so so let's check out what I did.
Well, okay. So I started by taking off the old headlights, which in fact are off-road lights, which I had used to replace the factory Dodge lights before. So I mounted these in a way where I could just take them off, you know, because none of my projects or none of my shenanigan custom ideas ever stay the same. They always change. Alright, so with this guy, I'm gonna mount them back in. Boom. Something like that there. This one could be the same thing. Like this one. What I want to do is mount these, something like that. But let's go ahead and get these drilled in, and then we'll come back and see how we're gonna mount them other headlights right there. So what I'm gonna get going here is, I already got these two. I'm gonna go ahead and drill these. Get them drilled. Get those drilled all the way through. And I mean, all it takes is you just got a power and a ground. So the ground I could just self-tap it because I got it grounded everywhere. And like so, let me get some hardware. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and see if this is gonna fit. And look, check that out. It doesn't even fit. Thought I was on it. All right, well, obviously that other drill bit was the wrong size. So I'm gonna and I'm gonna end up having to drill these out a little bit also, which I'm not too happy about because not really what I had in mind that I was gonna have to do. But let me get this on a vise. Let me go ahead and drill that out, because that's gonna get kind of crazy. Adjust this. See if I can't get move a little bit. Got these, you know, these little pivot points so you can kind of adjust it up and down, which I really like. So when I make my other bracket for my headlights, I want to do the same thing. Come on, there we go. I want to do the same thing and get it so that I can, you know, adjust the angle, you know, as I'm putting them together. I'm gonna get this one. That one's just hand tight there, but that's, you get the idea. One. Let's loosen this up. We'll go ahead and get those, you know, I'll get those straight away. and get these other bolts in here, tighten them up, and get them straight. Well, now we got our headlights mounted, or not our headlights. We've got our off-road lights mounted that were here. Now they're here. They were here. Now they're here. So now that we got that kind of out of the way and bolted down, you know, it's fairly simple. I'm gonna go ahead and wire them back up, because that wire harness goes to a switch, and I'll just leave that alone. And then I'm gonna get back into this wire harness back in this corner here and undo some of that tape and find the factory headlight harness and go ahead and pull them wires out and get a test light to them and go ahead and turn the switch and see which one's which, and label them and get them ready so that I mount that other light. I go ahead and just wire those up and just use a factory headlight switch. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this wiring back here on these off-road lights, and we'll get to that other wiring harness. Well, this part of the project is done. In part 2 of this custom freestyle build, we'll finish this by installing the new aftermarket Jeep headlights I got. In addition, fab up some mounting brackets for the headlights and side blinkers. So till tomorrow, hit the thumb and bell and share.